Welcome viewers to the Dragster Shop and Transmission. Today's repair is a 1989, I think it's an 89, Toyota pickup truck, 4-wheel drive. It needs a new idler arm put on it and sway bar end links. So I'll get started on where everything is here in just a second, but in the meantime, here is the old idler arm. I'll show you where that is in a minute. There's the old one. New one. New one has a provision for the grease fitting. It does come with the grease fitting. The old one does not. The client brought this in. He ordered the parts. Here's the end links for the sway bar. And anyway, so I will show you where this goes. You probably already know, but I'll show you anyway. So here we go. Goes right there. You got these 3 bolts right here. These bolts and the nuts are 17mm heads on both sides. Head, the bolt, and the nut. Make sure your hole is cleaned, deburred before you install the new one. Just put it back on there. It's pretty straightforward. That's that. Now the sway bar end links. Damn, this vehicle needs more than just this stuff. It also needs an axle. I'm gonna have to let him know about that. All right. So your lower nut for your sway bar is right there, up inside there. That's a 14mm. The nut is up there. Let me get some light on the subject here. The nut, the bolt is right, the head of the bolt is right there. All right. One side, I don't think it's this one. No, it's not this one, but the other side is broken. So, anyway, so if you have a bad idler arm, you could have you'll probably have some vibration in the front end while you're driving down the road. Sometimes you'll feel it at low speeds, sometimes high speeds, and sometimes all the time. Just depends on the vehicle. You'll have to put the grease fitting in yourself. It's an 8mm. All you need is just handheld. You don't need a socket. You don't have to crank down on it. You just go to where it stops turning, and that's it. You don't have to over torque it, because you will break it off, and then your bad day just got worse. And you will have to pump it full of grease. It holds a lot of grease too. And so have a grease gun handy. And like I said, the bolts that hold the idler arm to the frame are 17mm heads. So, and make sure you use your 1/2-inch drive stuff, or 3/4 if you got it. Most people don't have 3/4 sockets, 3/4 drive sockets. So, so that's about it. It's pretty straightforward on these things. They usually don't fight you unless, like I had a little trouble getting this one out of getting this idler arm, this end out of the center link that comes over from the pitman arm on the steering box. I showed you where to clean out the hole, deburr it. They make a tool for that. You could run a round file through the hole too, on the center link. where this joint goes. Save you some money, because if you don't do this all the time, then there's really no need to go out and buy a tool. So, all right, well, that's about it for this one. So if you enjoy this kind of content, you never know, you might learn something, might help you out down the road, or your friends, whoever. But hey, subscribe to the channel, guys. Leave a comment below, and turn that little notification bell on so you'll be made aware of when I post more videos to my channel. And give it a thumbs up. All right, guys, thanks for watching.